AJ?
Yeah. Not what I wanted. He was fighting really hard, like he was fighting too hard to be a grouper.
And he fought all the way to the surface.
Yeah, all the way to the top. Yeah, he never stopped. So good, though. Nice. You want to smoke it?
Nothing. Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
He fought so much easier than that, Jack. Out here doing a little grouper fishing.
Oh, yeah.
Right at just over 24.
Nice.
Nice. First keeper grouper of the day. Right over 24. Which I think that's about what we're going to catch right here. I think the biggest one we caught last week was 30.
Okay.
So 25 to 24 inches is what we're looking for. Hey, I'm eating grouper tonight. We can get two more. Anybody want to fight him? I got him off the bottom now.
Yeah.
Bumping floor. Another good one, I think.
Nice.
Hey, Phil's a little bigger than the last one.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
That's a good one. Nice. Legal.
Let's go. Let's go.
Take it on one. Take it on one. Nice one. Thank the good Lord. That was nice. Hold him up over here, Danny. Said, get the hook out of him, hold him up there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he'll go 24. Yeah, it looks like a cookie cutter, the one we just caught.
Yeah.
Looks almost like the one we just caught. So that's a nice one. He's thick, nice shoulders. These pinfish, they can't resist the pinfish. Definitely worth taking a little bit of time and putting some in a box before you come out here if you're going to target grouper. Flip you around here so you can check this one out. Got him? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Just a pair over.
Cool. Yeah, I think they're all going to be right at 24. Nice. Good deal. Good job. Put him in the box. All right. We got one more. See if we get him. And we might push you out a little bit further, try to go for some scamps. We'll see. The wind, it's pretty windy out right now. We're going to see what it does, but it's a lot windier than what was supposed to be today. So, all right, we'll keep at it.
Yeah. Got another one, number 4. He's small.
Yeah, pretty good. That's a nice grunt. That's a good one. Sure shaking his head like a grouper.
Nice fighting the surface too, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. This is a cat. Who wants him? Looks like it's
Jack? I think so. But he's not running like a DK. Well, that's how you said that.
nice.
That's a big one.
That's a really good one. It is 30, about 34. Nice.
See it, AJ?
34.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I don't need a full-time cameraman. All right, we got our third one. That's a good one, too. I think that's the biggest one. Yeah, that's definitely bigger than the first two we caught. He's probably pushing 28 inches or so. That's a nice one. Nice grunts.
Big fat grunt.
Big jack grunts. Nice group. All right, that's our 3-man limit. We'll make another pass, try to get a couple grunts. We did catch a nice sea bass, but a little short. But we'll make another pass to see what we get into. Yeah, thankfully we got our 3-man grouper. That's what we came out here for.
Let's go home.
Yeah, that was the mission for the day, to catch 3 grouper. You're right. We're not You're going to school or something. Oh, right out in front of you. You got one?
Yeah, I got it. Hey.
Yeah, I thought they were blues. Big old blues too. Big old blues.
Hey man, how's it going? How you doing? Yeah, good.
Nice blue.
Yeah, we got into for grouper. We were out 30 miles.
Yeah, a little shorter.
How you been? Oh, really? Where'd you guys go? Okay. Yeah, it was a little bumpy. Bumpier than what they said, for sure.
You want a bluefish? You want a bluefish?
As soon as it hit the water, he had it. You know him?
I don't know.
He does like sunset trips and stuff with people.
What's his name?
I'm trying to think. He's good friends with my cousin.
Oh, look at him.
Oh yeah, like they're right on it.
School yeah, look, all blues. Look at him.
Oh yeah.
Hey, that's fun man, right there for
Steve is his name, I think.
Sloop Point. He owns like
Sloop Point, yeah. Sloop Point Charters.
Yeah. He just said something. I know he knows who I am. I know he knows that.
Yeah.
He follows us and likes some stuff.
Oh, does he? Yeah. He's a really nice guy.
That's good. I've never met him. Man, look at all this.
Oh yeah, they're breaking everywhere. You want to come ahead a little bit?
Yeah, you want to reel? Fine.
I was saying you want me to come ahead a little bit?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm already hooked up.
Okay.
You want to fight around? Oh yeah, I'm already hooked up.
You're gonna bump and jerk that way?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, you got one here?
Oh yeah, I hooked
Yeah,
up. I'm doing that.
Spanish, huh? Or no, Bluefish, yeah.
I think they're all blue.
Yeah.
Might be a mix of something else, but he's definitely all blues. I saw them when we turned.
Mm-hmm.
Saw the tail.
Slot red right now.
Yeah, big old red would be nice.
Yeah.
You hooked up? Yeah, right out here. Get him?
Yeah.
Little blue?
Yeah. Man, there's a lot of them here.
Oh, there's a pile of them there. You can sit right here and play with them.
Oh, absolutely.
Go. Get the pliers?
Yeah. A little bit better one, huh?
Yeah, a little stabby.
Nice. Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Only if he would just fall off right there.
I know, right? Oh, there you go. Hey.
Perfect.
There you go.
Go. All right, let's go home. Let's go home and clean some grouper.
Yeah. Grouper and grunt, huh?
Yeah, some grouper and grunts.
Boy, have a fit out here with this. Cast on these.
Pretty good day.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
All right, guys, all in all, a pretty good day. Thank the good Lord, we got our limited grouper, bunch of grunts, caught some sea bass, but most of the sea bass were like 12 inches or just under. And we caught a bunch of jacks, I think 3 or 4 jacks, and we kept one that was 36 inches. So we're gonna take and smoke him, but everything else we let go. Overall, it was a really good trip. Blessed day for sure, and good to be out there with good people. Well, thanks for watching, guys. You have a blessed day. Yeah, right at 24. Pretty fish. Yesterday we caught 2 that were right at the same size. Now we get one more. I'll buy it from East Coast. But we'll get it from them. They get it from Cape here.
Okay.
Oh man, you pulled it. I think it was a small grouper. Never big as ramblers.
Oh shit. Might have been a shark.
Yeah.
What kind of sharks are out here?
Yeah, I feel like that. Not a minute. It's probably a shark. All kinds of sharks. We've got some Atlantic shark nose. A lot of sand tigers, things like that. You know, not tigers too, but a lot of sand sharks. Yeah, squid's good stuff because it only lasts a lot longer than the bait.
Yeah, because that's, yeah.
It stays on your hook so much better.
Yeah.
Now, typically what's nice about the cigar minnows, at the sea bass and the grouper and stuff will get them to crush them. The bigger fish, if you just catch a fish, it'll be a bigger fish. Right here. There you go. Pull him up, drill him, keep drilling. Keep drilling. Yep, keep drilling if you can, and then get him on the floor. Pull up, pull out. It feels like a little bit better when they're running. Yeah. If you want to catch fish.
Yeah. Fuck. He's really running.
Yeah, he is. He's a big fish. See, they're big roots. Oh, no, roll. Yeah, keep that line tight, don't. Did he come off?
No.
Yeah, keep that line tight, don't. Pull up and then reel down. You move slow, real fast. Move slow. Just kind of don't overdo it. Yeah. Right.
Take this for a little bit.
Woo.
There at the, oh yeah, there you are. What is that?
Yeah.
How'd you do it?
Just give him right like in the back of the head. No, just over here. Nice. I was hoping he was a grouper, but we'll take that and turn around and get a fish for you. Nice. Nice jack. Not the grouper we're looking for, but a nice one. Nice jack anyway. We'll put him on the smoker. Wow. Good job. Oh yeah, big grunt. Nice. Alright, well, that's a decent one. Not a huge one, but a decent one. That's a good one for here. Where you want to take him? And then I'll go ahead and pull this anchor. Not bad. Got a limited grouper, 2-man limit. And then caught a couple of those small ones, and then lost a couple nice ones. And we got some rain coming. So we're going to go ahead and pull the anchor and call it a day. But overall, pretty good trip. All right, guys, we'll see you back at the top.